Welcome to Lee Does Stuff. Today we're going to be loading a caulking gun. So first thing you got to do is unload the caulking gun. We're going to pull our ladder hook back here, and your old cartridge, just put a little bit of pressure on the tip and whoa, she just pops right out. One of the biggest mistakes people make when loading a caulking gun is cutting the tip too large. And see right here, this tip, we just want to graze the tip so that we barely get an opening. We don't want to do too much. We just want to just graze it, lance it ever so slightly. Let's take our time. All right. We did our cut. Slow it down here. Let's look at it again. Okay, beautiful. Now let's see what we got here. So you notice that we still haven't penetrated the inner cylinder here of the tip. So we're going to have to go again. Again, less is more. Boom. There it is. You see, that's what you want. It's just a small hole, and then it's nice and square at the tip there. You see, nice and square. And this is going to make really nice caulking beads when you're going around window frames, door frames, whatever it may be. Now we grab our needle, and we have to break the membrane inside the caulking tube. Okay, so let's get our caulking tube lined up here with our little hole. It's going to fit perfectly. And all we're going to do is line it up, put a little bit of pressure, boom. And I like to go in and out a few times, really make sure that membrane is cracked and open inside there. Let's clean off our needle with just a damp rag there. Okay, we are almost ready to load up our new caulking tube. So we've prepared everything. We're ready to go. We want our caulking tube to point downwards. So I'm going to put it in there and spin it so that the opening is near the bottom there. And now we're going to push our ladder hook till we feel pressure near the back of the caulking tube. Once we do that, it's time to put a little bit of pressure on the trigger, and as you can see, the caulking comes out and we're ready to go. Good luck with your projects, everybody.